If you're like millions of other Americans, you rely on propane for grills, patio heaters, power generators, and many other outdoor appliances. If they're not connected to your propane system, then you're probably using portable 20-pound cylinders, like this one. When transporting your cylinder, always store it in a secure and upright position so it can't fall, shift, or roll. And don't leave your propane cylinder in a hot vehicle for a long time. Always head straight to your destination and take your cylinder out of the vehicle when you arrive. Connecting the cylinder safely is easy. Just follow the manufacturer's instructions and be sure to check for gas leaks between the cylinder and the outdoor appliance fitting or regulator every time you connect the cylinder to the appliance. You can do it easily when using a leak detector solution or soapy water. Slowly open the cylinder valve and watch for bubbles. If bubbles appear, close the cylinder valve, tighten the connection, and then repeat the process. When you connect the cylinder to an appliance, make sure the appliance is turned off. When it's time to store your small cylinder, keep it outdoors, never in an enclosed area like a basement, garage, shed, or tent. Keep the cylinder away from areas that can become too hot, over 120 degrees Fahrenheit, such as near a stove, fireplace, or other heat source, and never store extra cylinders under or near a grill. Keep any ignition sources away from the area while handling or transporting cylinders. To learn more about safely using propane appliances that include small cylinders, call your propane retailer.